So I'm going to show you two different ways. The first way requires the Windows 10 operating system, and the second way you can use it from anywhere, from any operating system for free. So let's say I have these two images of Sheldon and I want to remove this green background from his image. So I just want this body and I don't want this green background here. Also for this image I want to remove the background. You can have your own image and let's say you just want to remove the background and you want to save this image with the face which you have by you. So let's see the first way in which you require the Windows 10, and then we will see the next way. So on Windows 10 there is an app called Paint 3D. So search for Paint 3D and you will be able to see this app here. This comes pre-installed on all the Windows 10 operating systems. So I'm going to just open this app here and then click on new, and then I will just simply drag one of these images. Let's say I want to just remove the background from this image. So I will just drag and drop this image into the Paint 3D app. And now what I can do, I can just click on this option which says Magic Select. Okay, so just click on Magic Select here. And now once Magic Select is selected, you just need to click on the next button. So just click on next, and Magic 3D will try to remove the background, but it's not very intelligent. So you have the option to select your image and you have the option to remove the background. So you have the option to select what you want to remove and you have the option what you want to add, right? So here you can see the face is selected, but I want to remove this green background, right? So I have this option to remove. So I will just select remove from here, and then I will just draw a line here which I want to remove, right? So here this green background is removed, but still there is this green background here. Once again I can select on the remove option and then draw a line here which is going to remove that green background once again. Okay, so now I have this Sheldon face, but still I want to have this neck and the t-shirt part of this image. So I will just click on the add this time, and then I will draw a line on the part I want to add. So I will just add that, and now I can see the neck is there. Same I will do for the t-shirt, and now I can see this t-shirt is also added here. So now this green background is removed, and now the image which I want to have is visible here. Okay, so once you are done with this Magic Select, then you can just click on the done button, and once you do that, see the magic. You can just move this face which you have selected in your image, right? So now you can just right click on this face image, and then you can copy it and you can use this. So for example, I have this email. I will just paste this image, and I can also resize it on my email. So if I want to send this image by email, I can send it. I can also open the normal Paint app and then save this image, and then click on crop, and then save this image as a PNG file. Also I have this Word app. There also I can just paste this image, and then I can resize this image. Now let's say I want to save this image into a PNG format or JPEG format. So what I can do, I can once again go to this Paint 3D app. Once again just copy this image. So before doing anything, just copy this image, and then just click on menu and then click on new, and you can just say I don't want to save this, and then you can paste the image which you have copied, which is this one, and then you can resize the image according to this canvas here, and then you have the option of saving the image. So you can once again go to the menu and then click on save as, and then click on image, and then you will be presented this option. You can choose the format in which you want to save your image. The PNG format works best for the transparent images. Also, you have the option to click on this option which says transparency, and this is going to save your image as a transparent image. So you can see these pixels which are removed from the image, right? Once you are done, you can just click on save and then choose the location wherever you want to save your image, and I will just give the name, for example, transparent background sample 1, and then click on save, which is going to save my image. And now you can see my image is saved, so I can use this image anywhere else. For example, I will just copy this image from here, and once again I will go to my Word app. I will remove the image which I have copied earlier, and you can paste it directly, right? So in this way you can save the image into the PNG format and then use it. Now let's see the second option of removing the background from your image, in which you don't require Windows operating system. What you need is any browser. So just go to your browser and search for remove background online. And the best website which I found out is the first option here, which is called remove.bg. I'm going to put the link of this website in the description of the video also, so you can directly go to this website. So I will just open this website here, and what you need to do, you just need to simply upload your image. So I'm going to just click on upload, and then I can choose any image from here. So let's say I will choose this Sheldon 1 image from here, and it will be uploaded, and just wait for a few seconds. And now in few seconds you will see this result with the removed background, and it looks very nice, right? So you can just download this image, and then you can just see this image, and you can see the background is totally removed from this image. So once again I can use this image anywhere where I want. So I can just copy this image and then drag and drop to my Word app, and it looks like this. Or I can use it on my email, and it's going to look like this. So you can use this trick also to remove the background from your images. So how simple it is. So in these ways you can remove the background from your images. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.